everybody, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, namaste, sat sri akal. Today is another DIY video. Yes, I am getting addicted to DIY jobs. I don't know, once you start doing your own DIY, you wanna do more and more. I mean, I have got addicted of doing this. Well, there is some reasons behind it. Because my previous house was quite big, I had a loft in it and I had a garage in it. So garage things were in the garage and loft things were in the loft. But here I couldn't convert my loft into the room because the space is like 4 foot. So there was no point of doing anything in the loft. Now my loft things plus my garage things are in the garage. That's why I need more space in this small house so I can fit everything together at the right place. And I am doing DIY because the weather is not good to go anywhere. So that's why I keep doing DIY. I think I should open my own DIY channel. What do you think about it? Right, so my plan today is to make some shelves on this wall. And what I'm gonna do is, I've got some of these shelvings which I bought from my old house. I'm gonna put this here. Like I've got 3 of them. So 1, 2 and 3rd will go there. And simply I'm gonna put this like this. Job done. So let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. First part of the job is done. I need to cut the boards for it and then put it on it, and job done. And yeah, I'll see you after I cut my shelves. Guys, I have finished my project. Books will go up, TV is here, game is here, and video games are here. This thingy needs to go on the light. It's the light cover. I'm not an electric person, so I'm not touching it. I'm just doing the woodworks at this moment. So yeah, this is it. Basically, this is gonna be my storeroom. As I have mentioned earlier, in my old house I had a loft where most of the things were kept in the loft, but I am short of space here, so that's why I'm working on this room. I'm gonna make it storeroom. My next project is to cover this place in shelves so I can put my towels, my bed sheets, my duvets, my blankets. So everything is gonna come here. At this moment, all these things are just in the bags lying under these stairs. Yeah, this will be my next project, and I hope you have enjoyed watching it. The weather is good out today, but it's very cold. And I would like to advise you guys, be strong whatever circumstances comes into your life. Don't give up, okay? Because it's only this time which is the bad time. The rest of the life is good. So try your best to hold yourself in your bad times, and I am 101% sure you will come out of your bad times and you will enjoy your life. That's it for today. I hope to see you in my next video. Till next time. Bye-bye.